I'm Lindsay Faulstick, Associate Dean of Student Life and Director of Residence Life here at Hanover College. I am so excited to give you a tour of our newly renovated resident building, Donner Hall. First-year students will have the opportunity to live in this historic campus building, now equipped with air conditioning, expanded bathrooms, a yoga studio and circuit room, and it's ADA accessible. Let's go inside and take a look. Donner Hall is a co-ed residence hall that houses approximately 120 students. Most rooms are double rooms. Students will be able to control their room temperatures with a central air conditioning unit and updated HVAC system. Each floor features 2 renovated bathrooms with multiple sinks and showers. You can leave your quarters at home. Students will have unlimited access to washers and dryers. Students are responsible for bringing their own detergent. A new feature in Donner is the addition of a yoga studio and circuit room. The expanded patio, which overlooks the quad, provides an ideal spot for students to hang out and work on homework. Donner Hall joins Ide Hall as the 2 most recently renovated residence halls on campus. The $8.5 million renovation is part of the college's plan to upgrade first-year housing. We hope this new and improved space will make Hanover College feel even more like a home away from home. You can learn more about Hanover College's housing options by visiting Hanover College on YouTube or by checking out our website, hanover.edu. Thanks for watching.